back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have heard some of y'all in the comments, so I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead for you. Now, this one is going to be in the healthcare field. And of course, as always, the links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. One thing that I quickly want to point out about this application is that when you get to the end of this page and you hit the apply now button, it tells you what to expect. It's going to take 15 to 20 minutes to fill out their complete application. It's not as simple as just uploading your resume. They say you can submit a resume and cover letter if you want to, but they're going to have an online form that you actually have to fill out with all of your information. But the company, Dominion National, they are hiring a network data entry specialist. Now, the reason this is in the healthcare field is because Dominion National is a provider of dental and vision benefits. And so they are specifically looking for someone to help provide administrative duties and support the functions of their out-of-network data entry team. You'll be accurately entering group and individual enrollment applications through their online portal. Normally, these enrollment applications are for providers trying to join the network. You'll be assisting the claims department with the provider correspondence and communications. You'll timely and accurately process the termination and restatement request as requested by internal and external parties. So you'll be processing them in their computer system. You'll review the data on the error files and determine the type of data entry that should take place. You'll also have to allocate credits and debits in the system as it relates to individual accounts. So it's completely non-phone data entry within their computer system. Of course, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who has 1 to 3 years experience in some kind of administrative or data entry function, someone who has a good typing speed of 50 words per minute and a minimum of 10,000 keystrokes. Someone who has a basic skills such as data entry, organizational, good time management, great communication skills, all of those things. Now, it does say that if you're fluent in Spanish, that is a plus, but it is not required. But if you can speak Spanish, that might get you to the front of the line for an interview. Now, it says that they offer a competitive salary. While they did not list that, we'll get into their Glassdoor page in just a minute. They do offer a benefit package, including medical, dental, 401k, paid time off, all of the things. And of course, I also have their Glassdoor page linked down below so you can do your own research. I always suggest doing your own research on any company before giving them your information. I try to do my research before sharing something, but with so many scams out there today that look so realistic, please always do your own research. But within their Glassdoor page, they have a 3.1 star rating. Although reading through some of the reviews, I'm not necessarily sure why. Of course, there's going to be people that don't like things. I don't like everything about my job, even though overall I love my job and would never leave. You've got people saying it's a good culture, they have opportunity for growth, they offer great work-life balance. Somebody, if you keep reading it down below, complained about parking, office location, and paid parking. When my job was not work from home, we had to pay for parking too, so I can understand that, but you know, this position is a remote job, so that does not apply here. Now, as far as a salary investigation goes, I could not find a data entry specialist job title, but just looking through the salaries, because this is a data entry for the claims helps department, their claims specialists make $55,000 to $57,000 a year. Customer service reps make about $40,000 a year, and an administrative role makes $51,000 to $54,000 a year. So it looks like they're going to pay anywhere probably between $40,000 and $55,000 a year for this position. That just gives you something to gauge it off of. But of course, you'll have to ask the final salary at the time of the interview. All right. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.